that we need to take a step back and evaluate further.
Okay.
I personally don't think, and this is a personal opinion, I don't think we will be able to get something through by the March timeframe, and would have to more closely on the September 2016 timeframe to move this forward. And the biggest reason being is that, right now, from a perspective of what we're evaluating, we're really focused on things that were north of 50% of public support. We're trying to look at each one of them individually and evaluate what we believe will have the most impact and what will not.
And during the discussions, and we can talk about it more board business if you prefer, but during the discussions, do we know at this time how much state aid we'll receive back, or we'd have to go out with the full number and then...
I think we can make actually very good guesstimates based upon what we received from the previous referendum and kind of extrapolate that across anything new. The only thing additionally we would have to take a look at would be the potential for additional classrooms along the elementary, which we did not do last time, so we could probably make some guesstimates and still